Hey everyone, this is Dan and we have a brand new update into the platform. So let me show you some of the things that we have introduced. So the first thing is in the file manager. We have introduced an integration with Unsplash so you can add your images directly from Unsplash from the builder. So here you have the whole directory. You can also find the artists and go directly into Unsplash. But you can search for whatever images you want. Let's say a cat that you want to search for, and you can choose from all the different images from cats. I believe all the images are royalty free, so you can use them freely within your work, as long as you don't resell them, obviously. You can check out the Unsplash terms and conditions in terms of that. But yeah, when you select an image, it will take a few seconds for that image to be compressed, resized, and as you know, we make them into WebP format, so everything is super fast in terms of deliverability of the image itself. And here it is, the image right away, it is there. And all the images that you select will be added into your downloaded folder that is created defaultly by the system, so you don't have to do anything about it. All the images that are selected from Unsplash will go directly here, and you can reuse them. You don't have to select them again from the directory. So that's it. Super simple and easy to now add images into your designs, into your pages from Unsplash. Now, and we have another one that is in the CRM. So if you go to a specific contact, you'll see now the ability to send emails directly, individually to every contact. So you don't have to create a campaign for a single person. You can do that directly from here. And keep in mind that that person has to be subscribed in order to send them an individual email. If they're not subscribed, obviously you will not be able to. So this is it. Now here you have the from information, the name, the email. You can change the reply to as well if you want to. The email subject, you can add properties as a regular email, and of course the content of the email itself. By default, it is a text one, so you can just start typing right away, or you can switch to an email builder if you want to send something more different, like an HTML email, and of course the information that you want there. You can send tests, edit the email as well, or switch back to the email editor, to the text editor. And that's pretty much it. Very, very simple. You have also the ability to schedule this email to be in the future. So you can select to schedule it and to select a day and time. So if you click on save, well, you have to add a subject and some content for the email. If you save it for that specific time, when you click on the send icon again, you'll find that you have the view scheduled emails. There you'll find all the scheduled emails for this person. In this particular case, we have two because we did a test a bit earlier. So here are the two emails, and you can always click on the email and find the information that you have there, which you can start editing or send the email right away. If you don't want to wait for it, you can just send it right now, or again, schedule it for a specific time. And this is the individual emailing that you can add into your CRM to easily email your users individually. And then we have the new changes to the automation flows. Now, if you create a new automation or to an existing one, we have added the anticipated automation triggers. So here we have added 4 new triggers. One of them is open, then a click, makes a purchase with specific criteria, and then order status change. So let's go one by one. The open an email, then you have the ability to select if it is a campaign that you've sent or an automation that's again you're sending. So if you click on automation, currently we have one running automation that is for abandon, and you can select which email is open, so that can start and trigger this automation so that people go through the flow that you want when somebody opens the email. So you can create this type of triggers. Now you have the ability to also do for clicks, so you can again select what campaign or automation, then select again the automation, the email, and then which link that is part of this email was clicked. So you can select these options, and that will again trigger for the person to start getting through this automation flow that will be added to this automation. So this is how simple it is to use the opens and the clicks triggers to your automations. Then we have the makes a purchase. So when the user makes a purchase. And we have here a bit more options, such as the purchase criteria. So if it's for all orders, only for paid or non-paid orders, so it's entirely up to you. if you want to trigger it for if the order is above a certain amount that you can add here, if it's made with a discount code, so if you want to target people based on that, or also based on the product or products that are part of the order that they purchased. So here you can select the products in your store and triggered by that. So this is a cool way to create this type of automations and triggers for your stores and checkouts. Then you have the ability for order status change. So this is if you change the status of the order from one to another, you can trigger a specific set of automations to start. So here are the statuses, again the purchase criteria, and again the options for orders, discount codes, and products that are included in this order that is being changed. So quite a lot of filtering that you can do here, especially for this too, for status order change, for making a purchase. So this is great for e-commerce and checkouts. So play around and see what works best for you. So these are the triggers that we have added, these 4 options. I hope that they will help you with using the automations more. Visit the page, we'll try to add it in the near future as well. But yeah, I think that's a great new addition, allowing you to do a lot more with the automations. We plan to add soon as well the click and open when it comes to the if-else logic. So to have it here as an option within the automation itself to be able to ask if a certain email was open or clicked, and then again split the traffic based on that criteria. But yeah, for the moment, these are the triggers that we have introduced. Also the contact individual email link and the images from Unsplash and the directory there. So play around with these updates. I hope that you enjoy them, and let us know in the comments below what you think. And yeah, the new things are on the mix, so please be patient. They're awesome, and we'll try to release them as soon as possible. Until then, please enjoy these new things that we have added to the platform. And again, let us know below what you think about these new small additions. Thank you.